Hey you guys, this is Jason from SoCal Accessories. Today I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how to install the Rough Country safe that goes under the seat on the JK Jeeps. So your contents are going to be inside the box. You're going to have two brackets and a bag of hardware. For the hardware that it comes with, you're going to use a 4mm Allen, and you're going to mount these brackets onto the bottom of the box. The contents, again, they're inside, so you're going to have the two keys in this bag. You unlock it, slide it out, and everything's going to be inside. We're going to show you guys step by step on how easy this is to install under the seat. Alright you guys, so you're going to install 3 bolts here and 4 here. This, make sure you put it sideways because it doesn't align this way. You put 4 bolts there and you're going to tighten it up with the Allen size 3. Once you tighten those up, I'll show you what the next step is. Alright you guys, so the next step, you're going to remove these 2 front bolts with the 18mm. Alright you guys, so after you remove the front bolts, then you remove the back ones. They're also 18mm. You want to remove them so you could tilt the seat back. Alright you guys, after you lift up the seat belt, some of these Jeeps only have 1 plug, some have 2. The newer ones with the airbag have the second one. You want to carefully pry them up or break that little clip. You're not going to reuse that anyways. You're going to zip tie these somewhere out of the way. So you're going to do the same thing to the 2 clips in the back. Yours may have 1, mine has 2 because it has the side airbags on the seat. Once we remove that, we're going to use a T30 to remove these 2 bolts right there. There's 1 here and 1 back there. Alright you guys, so after you remove those 2 bolts, that bracket's going to be out of the way. You need to secure these somewhere where it's not going to interfere with the safe, or where it's not going to get caught like anywhere on your slider. So for me, I'm going to try zip tying it to this part of the bar, and then I'll set the seat down with the safe here to make sure it clears before I add like a second zip tie. If it doesn't clear, I may have to put it on this side, but it should clear on this side, especially since there's this little bracket here. It shouldn't interfere with the safe. Alright you guys, so where I zip tied that wire harness, it does clear. This does have a gap, but hopefully once we tighten it up, it should get rid of that gap. This side lined up good. This side, the metal just sits kind of high. Hopefully that will close up once we tighten this up. Alright you guys, so after we tighten the 4 bolts, it did push down that big gap right here. So if you have that big gap also, don't worry, it's going to close itself up once you tighten it. So there you go. Now you guys can store your cash, or if you want to throw your wallet or something in here when you go somewhere. I would trust this to be more secure than locking like your glove box or your center console. Just don't lose the key. I suggest putting 1 with your keys and 1 somewhere safe in your house where you're not going to lose it. So hopefully this video was helpful for you guys on the step-by-step how to install the Rough Country safe for under the seat on the Jeep JK. If you guys liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel to see more projects more items that I'm going to be adding on these projects, or step-by-step videos that I'll be doing. Thanks for watching.